Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. This microphone also has a mute button to stop capturing any sound and mute the microphone. It's on the top and it's a capacitive button. You tap it and it turns on or off. How do you know if it's on or off? It's with this light around the button. Now it's white, but if I tap it, it's red. And the mic, it's not picking up sound. I give it another tap and it's white again. Let's see it better. So it's on. I tap it and it turns red, it's off. Another tap, it turns white. So just tap the mute button and it turns on or off the microphone audio capture. As easy as that. I'm going to do a demonstration of the mute button in a real case. I have the computer recording here, and here is the microphone. I'm going to give it a little more intensity so we can see it better. I'm talking and the software is recording my voice normally, but if I press the mute button and I continue to speak, the software is not recording my voice at all. The light is red, so the mic is off. I press it again and immediately starts detecting my voice in the recording. Let's test it again. I tap, it turns red and it stops detecting my voice. I give it another tap and it starts detecting my voice again. This is how the mute button works. We press it and it stops capturing my voice. We press it again, it turns white and it's on, which indicates that it's capturing sound again. And so, it ensures that the microphone it's not capturing sound without you knowing. The microphone is connected to the computer, but if you don't want it to be recording, press the button, it turns red, and it ensures that the microphone is not transmitting sound or voice to the computer, and it's not recording you. If it is white, then it may be transmitting the captured voice to your computer or the equipment you have the microphone connected to. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.